What's up everyone, it's Jaquil, your guide to living with Apple every day, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to delete social media apps off your iPhone for better mental health. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's how to permanently delete social media apps off your iPhone for better mental health, so you're not constantly doom scrolling all day long. So you want to actually hold on the app, and now be careful. When you press remove app, check this, it's going to ask you, do you want to remove from home screen or delete the app? If you choose to remove from home screen, TikTok, watch this, TikTok is still there. So to permanently delete the app, you have to actually press delete app and then delete. So we're going to do this again. For example, Snapchat. Let's say to delete Snapchat forever off your phone, not your profile, but just your phone, you have to press delete app. And then it's going to prompt delete Snapchat. Deleting this app will also delete its data. Deleting its data off your phone. Keep in mind, all of your logins, all of your pictures, all of your saved stuff is still on its account. So, for example, if I were to delete Facebook, let's do it again, remove app. Instead of removing from home screen, we're going to delete app. But check it, it says delete Facebook. Deleting this app will also delete its data, but any documents or data stored in iCloud will not be deleted. We press delete because we understand that. And then we're going to do this, delete, remove app, delete app. Delete. And then last but not least, Twitter. We're going to remove app. We're going to delete the app. I still have LinkedIn on my phone, but basically, because I have no more social media apps on my phone, the profiles are still stored in the cloud on their respective servers. So if I were to come back to it, everything would just reload from those apps. All my pictures, all my posts, all my tweets, etc. So if you really wanted to delete those accounts, you would have to go into the respective apps themselves to delete or deactivate your account. Subscribe for more Apple tips.